I don't know if you saw this one. This is the new Jimmy Fallon sneaker. Gob Stomper in collaboration with Mischief, doing all types of stunts. He showed this off on his show, actually, an unlikely collaboration. The idea behind this sneaker is it looks better over time, or I don't know about better, but like it wears its wear in a cool way. So it starts out as like a white sneaker, but as you skate with it, use it, beat it up, it wears away and these color patterns, rainbow patterns start to show up. Now, sometimes you will wear a sneaker and as it gets older, it starts to look worse. The idea here is it starts to look better as it gets older and worn in and wears its scars and things like that. Which is an interesting concept, no?
I think it's kind of cool.
Okay.
I would like to wear these and go skateboarding.
That's right.
And see if it wears out like it does in these pictures here.
Yeah, so it's like a fun living item in that sense. Now the reason it's called the Gob Stomper is because of the Gob Stopper candy, which you may remember from when you were a kid.
Yeah, this giant gumball.
Jawbreaker, actually. And as you would eat it, it would wear down in different colors, rainbow colors, as you would get through the layers.
Yes.
And there were actually different sizes. You could get like a box, which would have smaller sizes, but you would break your teeth if you try to bite these things. Super hard candy. But yeah, so just like everybody else playing off the nostalgia of 2022, everybody remembering easier times before we talked about crypto winters.
They were gobstoppers.
Yeah, that's how simple it was. Just a little hard candy.
What do you think about them?
I think it's a fun collaboration and unexpected. I like to see that as like Mischief, Jimmy Fallon, and Jawbreaker candies. Like this, like a weird concoction of things. I like the promo. And I definitely like the idea of items that get better with wear.
Sure. Like leather.
They get more personalized and they age in a way you would want. As opposed to a lot of modern items, synthetic items, they just get worse every day. So there's some longevity to it. I think that's pretty cool that they went that angle. Anyway, available July 28th. That's a week from now, 1 p.m. And the draw is on the Mischief Sneakers app. There'll be $195 USD. Good luck with all that.